channel. Now I've started. I hope you can see what I'm doing. They say who are they may no. Sure they may no. What's in it? Now I make it a bit looser. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. We're coming to learning something, so just try and keep on watching. Welcome to my channel. I hope you can see everything. I've got it here. That's it. Keep on watching. Try. I'm still doing. Now. Now watch me. If you see me, I just mark. I've got mark here all around. And you need to be a little bit strong to push. You have to know that. See. Look. After that, then I'm going. So that the glue can hold the ball. Because the ball is going to hold a lot of flour. So I just want to make here very hard, and something can hold here as well, so that it's not going to break or whatever. It's not going to break here, something like that. To say, maybe me ball, no me the glue was here. Now what I'm doing now, this is the starting. Say na medical. Look at how I tight it. I already tight it because it's going to be a long flower. And I tight it so that it's not going to fall down, and it's going to be very, very nice. I'm still doing. Keep on watching. I just want you to know the way I tie it down. Look at that. And keep. I'm still doing it. I've got a cold